Wounds become infected because the break in the skin allows bacteria to enter. So I'm going to have that as wound breaks, bacteria enters. Often bacteria killing ointment is applied to wounds after they have been cleaned, but a study at a Nigerian hospital found that cleaned wounds that were treated with honey, which contains significant quantities of bacteria, healed faster on average than both cleaned wounds treated with antibiotic ointment and wounds clean but not otherwise treated. Now with that sentence right there, I kind of broke it down. So I had infection slow healing, the bacteria killing ointment on a wound. Honey also contains bacteria killing ointment, which is going to be considered better and faster. And honey is better than only cleaning and not treating. So honey is better. Let's see, than only. So basically, if I were to wrap that up into what I would consider a one sentence, I would have that if wounds break, bacteria enters, use honey and no other ointment for healing or treating. That's kind of what this stimulus here is giving me as far as the information goes, as far as the bacteria killing ointment versus honey. Now, for this logical reasoning, there's going to come up the question, like always. So, which one of the following, if true, most helps to resolve the apparent discrepancy between the results of the study and these stated facts about wounds, bacteria, infection, and healing? So, discrepancy issue problems with facts with the wounds, bacteria, infection, healing. Now, in order to go through these answer choices, let's go through some vocabulary for this stimulus on bacteria and honey. I'll talk about the good bacteria. Inhibit is to prevent. Significance is considered great importance. So with that being understood, let's go ahead and start with the first choice, which is going to be choice A. Wounds that have simply been cleaned with soap and water and not otherwise treated heal faster than wounds that have been cleaned and then treated with antibiotic ointment. We're going to say no. The killing bacteria in honey is not mentioned, so let's go ahead and take that one out. The bacteria found in honey are present in much lower concentration than the concentration of bacteria typically present in infected wounds, and applying antibiotic ointment to a wound rarely, if ever, kills all of the bacteria affected in the wound. No. The good bacteria in honey is significant, not lower concentration. Honey has properties that inhibit the growth of bacteria in wounds, including the bacteria the honey contains, and antibiotic ointments damage sensitive wounds tissue with slow healing. I'm going to say yes, inhibit the growth of bacteria. And with that being said, it kind of matches up with what we have here as well. So we're going to go ahead and highlight it, see if these choices are better. D. The high concentration of sugar in honey inhibits the growth of bacteria in wounds, including the bacteria contained in the honey itself. No, sugar does not mention. It's not mentioned in this stimulus here. Take that one out. E. The antibiotic ointment used in the study damages sensitive tissue in wounds, which slows healing, but honey does not have the effect if the wound has been cleaned. No, antibiotic ointment does not damage sensitive tissue here. So, with this information here, I'm going to go ahead and cross off E. C is definitely the better choice. And let's see if we have it correct. And C is the correct answer. Honey that has properties that inhibit the growth of bacteria in wounds, including the bacteria the honey contains, and antibiotic ointments damage sensitive wounds, tissues, which slows healing. So this one had a vocabulary in the answer choices, which was inhibit. And also for one of the wrong answer if you're going by the process of elimination, it had significant. So inhibit means prevent, and significant means great importance. Something that you want to know in order to be able to solve this logical reasoning question.